So you're probably looking for ways to increase your followers, but don't have any idea how. You also search online and what you only see is buy this amount of followers or this amount of likes from third-party apps selling what we call fakes. Well, the problem with these fakes is that you can fool your friends or competition, but you cannot fool yourself. When you buy those type of services, you will not only have fake people following you, but you will also can potentially get your account in serious trouble because Instagram can recognize all fraudulent third-party apps activities and close your account. So what's the point in risking your account to only impress your friends or competition? Why not do the right thing and hire an agency that can take your product, service, talents, etc. to another level by creating the right strategy to create real engagement? If people can see you, then they don't know about you, which means that it doesn't matter how many fake friends or likes you have, you will not succeed in creating a group of followers eager to see what you have in store for them. It can be for your fitness, modeling, art, talents, or whatever the industry that you're in. That's when we come into play. We will gather information on who's your competition or what other products that are similar to yours are succeeding on Instagram, and we will help you or your company be successful as them. How? Well, let me explain myself a bit here. You probably have heard a ton of times social media experts talking about the famous word engagement, right? Well, yeah, I bet you have. Engagement means the action of engaging or being engaged, more like participating or getting involved in some type of action. In this case, we're talking about social actions inside the IG platform. Like, for example, liking or commenting on other people's posts, that's engagement. Some people only go on IG to browse or watch videos, but they don't even like or comment on those pictures or videos, not knowing that real engagement starts from there. So we will take care of your Instagram account and we will use a full engagement method based on hashtags, location, and popular accounts. This way people will start noticing you, and most of the time will either follow you or like your post, which is the most important part. We offer a very simple and affordable service that starts at only $2 a day, which is extremely low compared to other similar services online. We also work free of contracts or any commitment. We do have a minimum of 7 days, and that's for you because you do need at least a week to see results. So don't wait any longer and get in touch with us right now so we can start working with you immediately. See you.